13.5 minutes before edits. This is a quick job. Show you how to do this thing the right way. It's real simple. Your skimmers and your water flow come in through here. It's the pump that moves everything. It comes up and it goes in to the sand filter, comes out, and if you had a chlorine feeder there, it would go through the chlorine, and that pipe goes back to the pool. Using my reciprocating saw, use a hacksaw if you want, I'm going to cut right here. I want as much of this length intact as possible. I'm going to cut right here. This is where our new fittings are going to go. It was that easy. We can have our materials. You need primer and cement. You need just a piece of sandpaper and a rag. Tape measure is important. I've got a 2-inch pipe. That's 2 inches. I've got a 1.5-inch pipe. This is 1.5 inches. Couplers and reducer that I need for this job. And an elbow to connect everything. First things first, take your sandpaper, get all the burrs off. You don't want it in your system. Plus it helps make a better bond. I like to get it in there. Wipe that out. You really want to dry fit everything. That way you can kind of see what we need to do. How much has to come off here to be to there. So the termination, that is, I'm calling that 17.5. Another 1/2 inch or 18 inches to the inside of there. Good measuring point. So that is 11 inches. We need 7 inches, don't we? 7 inches. We're going to go there. There's not a lot of detail that needs to be done here. This is one of the easiest things you will ever do. Right here. And I'm going to put the teeth on here like this. Now, how I did this is probably not recommended. I'm going to show everybody how simple tool repair is. Don't need to overcomplicate any of it. There it is. That's a dry fit. Purple primer and our cement. Oh my Lord. That was hard to open. Purple primer. Cement. Jam that sucker on. Assembling the parts. As the reducer, we're actually going upward, not reducing. We're increasing, but they call it a reducer anyway. Hold that in place. Push. It'll bond. Everything should be bonded. And simple recipe, simple formula, real important. Don't start the system up. Here's the pro tip. Now you got to prime the system. When we cut everything and took the tape off, all the water came out. So that means there's low water. Don't just run the system until you add water. You have to prime the system. Water flow is good. By the time you're done priming, your sealant should be all set. Okay, the system was primed with 5 gallons of water poured into here so that it would have pressure. We're about to get some storms, so I gotta move fast. It's not leaking, no leaks. Seal is good. Remember, this is pool equipment. You don't have to be Picasso or Rembrandt. See? Pool's back operational. This is my job. Check out my other videos on a deck repair. Pool is still looking good. As always, it's June 12th. No bullshit home renovation. Quick recap on the pool. I have fixed every component on this system, and this was still not the end goal. We will put a salt cell in this spot, but when I do it, this 2-inch pipe needs to go all the way around to here. I don't know why they have 1.5 inch coming through, and everything else is a 2-inch. So I'm not really sure why they did that, who did that. I don't know what the purpose is. And looks like something was rigged up right here once upon a time in this fitting. I'm gonna fix that. It's not important right now. The system works. It'll function better for me and Jen once we convert it to a salt system. There's a lot of debate. Let me kick this thing on. And salt versus chlorine and blah, 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 blah. Let me tell you something. I'm a professional homeowner. This is my 3rd pool. I've converted each one of them to a salt system. The professionals sell chemicals. They sell chemicals. That's what they do. They do not want you to have a salt system because you will use more chemicals in a typical standard chlorine pool. You will still need chemicals in a salt pool, algicide, things like that, calcium, baking soda. You'll need that stuff. That's obvious. It's just part of the deal. Again, but a salt system is better on your skin. It feels better to me. I like the feel of the water better. So do your thing. Don't let an expert tell you how the water feels to you. That's silly. So what am I doing here? This duck. It's got my chlorine in it. And my shoes are all muddy, you can see. And my duck. I gotta add some chlorine. This is how I'm handling the chlorine in the pool right now. This is how a lot of people do it. It's not a big deal. Don't overcomplicate it. Enjoy the pool. It's pool season. Get in there.